When I first walked into IMT Ghaziabad, what surprised me is something that I did not expect, which was the campus to be as beautiful as it is.
We have a lush green campus here with the old red brick architecture. It was very pleasing to look at.
Established in 1980, Institute of Management Technology Ghaziabad is India's premier AACSB accredited management school with distinct focus on grooming leadership through innovation, execution and social responsibility.
IMT Ghaziabad has prepared me holistically for a corporate world where I know how to interact with the top management as well as the people who I'm working with and people who I'm going to go out and communicate with.
With a vision to create socially responsible business leaders, IMT Ghaziabad constantly strives towards excellence by inculcating values and ethics to individuals, fostering thought leadership, and providing a conducive and enabling environment for continuous learning, research, management development, consulting, and international partnerships.
IMT Ghaziabad is India's premier AACSB accredited management school. For the last 40 years, we have been focusing on grooming leadership. Grooming leaders who are able to work in various conditions, various dynamic setups, and of course offer a lot of skill sets. Our alumni have been working in cutting-edge areas across companies in India as well as abroad. Our faculty not only teach with excellence in the classroom, but are also into cutting-edge management research and thought. The world of work, and of course the world of education, has changed. It requires a very different approach. It requires a very different pedagogy. It requires a very different approach to how we relate to students in the classroom. IMT, with its experience, the kind of faculty it has, the kind of principles and practices it adopts, is rightly placed, ready to be able to still carry on adding value to future leaders as we go further into this century.
The two-year program at IMT Ghaziabad is focused on building the leadership skills and harnessing the entrepreneurial mindset of the students. The program is built around the philosophy of knowing, doing and being. While knowing centers around building the knowledge base of the student, doing is focused on applying that knowledge base and skills in real life situation. That is where we offer a number of workshop-based courses which are field-based, and being is evaluating oneself and aligning one's individual goals with the program goals of the program. The program offers a number of innovative aspects, one being the internationalization aspect, where each and every student will undergo a minimum immersion of 1 week across different campuses across the globe. The other highlight is we also allow students to choose free electives as well as core electives, which focuses on bringing the all-round development and personality of the student.
Our pedagogy and the way our curriculum is designed, which focuses heavily on case-based learning approach. We also work on a lot of live projects which prepare us to participate in these case study competitions.
We have workshops like design thinking and critical thinking that not only are a part of the curriculum but ensure that we develop over a period of time when we are here spending 2 years at IMT Ghaziabad.
In a particular case discussion method, our objective is to give students a structured stimuli and see how they respond to and how they explore different dimensions of the same situation.
Institute of Management Technology Ghaziabad's experienced and talented faculty are world-renowned researchers of repute.
A lot of courses are taken by the academicians from the corporates, which enables a lot of on-field and live knowledge coming to the students and the classroom, and which enhances the entire classroom experience itself.
The fact that from an academics perspective, you get best of the faculties and you get to study with the best minds of the country. So that is a great exposure that prepares you for your industry experience ahead.
The Student Initiative Program and various committee contributes firmly towards foundation of basic management skills, marketing acumen, and strategic managerial decision-making expertise amongst the students.
By the time it's 8:30 p.m. in the evening, life really starts at IMT. A lot of committee work is there, a lot of sports activities are going on, other clubs and committees are involved in which people put in their efforts and participate in competitions.
I think this is a very nice culture that we got involved into, because we learn how to deal with people from different backgrounds, how we have to work as a team for one goal and eventually the benefit of ourselves and the campus.
The focus is not just on academia, but the idea is to make you a smart manager, not just somebody who knows the concepts, but somebody who can actually get the work done.
We are involved in so many business school competitions that only the top tier 1 colleges get to.
Entrepreneurship occupies a major part of academia at IMT.
There are 3 key things which we do at the entrepreneurship cell of IMT Ghaziabad. First, being we provide incubation opportunity to the ideas in the campus, backed by the right resources of mentors and investors. Second, we carry out the events throughout the year like a startup weekend, where the students need to execute the business idea within the campus. And third, we act as a platform between the budding entrepreneurs and the investors across the country.
We nurture our student managers to be corporate ready, and our placement records are testimony to our effort.
The moment you join the college, they start preparing you for your upcoming placements. So be it summer placements or final placements, the placement season here is more of a rolling process where you'd have companies visiting campus regularly and coming to take students.
With each passing year, IMT Ghaziabad has been breaking its own records, be it in terms of average stipend offered or the average CTC or the highest stipend offered to our students.
Out of the 300 plus companies that come for recruitment for summers and finals alike, we have companies across industries like sales, marketing, finance, media and entertainment, operations, HR, and all the other segments of management that are possible, that from which companies come to recruit from our college.
The global exposure at IMT Ghaziabad is distinct in a way that provides our student managers with an international interface in terms of students exchange program.
IMT has partner institutes in various countries, and students have an opportunity to spend a semester abroad for an exchange program.
So after interacting during the open houses, I finally got through and I got selected for Kedge Business School, that is in Bordeaux, Pessac.
I had the opportunity to visit Neoma Business School in Rouen, France for a period of 3 months from January to March in 2019.
The world-class facilities, the curriculum and the pedagogy at IMT Ghaziabad reinforce its efforts to create globally responsible leaders who are capable of creating new hallmarks in the world of business, economy and society.
The best thing about IMT is that you can choose an industry, and even if you have to go more granular than an industry, you choose a company that you like, and there would be an alumni member working there, and those people are so helpful and energetic towards helping you build your own career. It is amazing.
The future is now, and you are destined to lead it. IMT Ghaziabad welcomes you.